Good morning, it's Teresa Wagstaff here from YesUCan. I'm just showing you girls how to do a 5-minute no makeup day. This is the end result. I'll show you how I got there. Take a look. Hello, it's Teresa from YesUCan in the raw. I've had a shower, washed my hair, put oil on my face and put some primer on. I've waited 10 minutes and this is my easy makeup for the day. I'm not in the mood for doing makeup, so I get more primer. Pop it on my hand. It will come out. Wait a minute, I'll try another one. I use it all the time. Here we go. We have primer. We have Argan Face Glow. Now this Total Radiance Face Glow is just magic. I just put one pump of that in there. Mix this together. And hey presto, Teresa's ready for the day. Once she puts eyebrows on and eyelashes. Now that's a better look straight off. See, once you put your hair right and all that sort of stuff. I'll show you in a minute though. I'll put the eyebrows on. Okay, for the eyebrows then we use the brow stuff. Honestly, this is a 5-minute job because I'm really not in the mood to wear makeup today. So I have the clear brow gel. So I just pop that on. Then the get it out of the box. I'm doing everything really fast. I've got the what's it called? Fibre brows. Here we go. Yes, so with the Fibre Brow Enhancer, we just pop up eyebrows on. You don't have to be too particular because honestly I'll show you what I do with the tissue to make it all proper. It works. You watch. Just grab a tissue and do along the edges like that. Just makeup when you're not having makeup. There we go. And then I'm trying out Young Living Savvy Minerals eyelashes. This is a volumizing one. And she gets a bit in the corner. I'll fix that up in a minute. That's what happens when you're rushing. The good thing about this is when you stick it in your eye like you normally do with eyelash stuff. When you stick it in your eye like you normally do with eyelash stuff, because it's natural stuff, it's not going to hurt. It's not going to hurt your face. It's not going to hurt your eyes. It's not going to do anything bad for you. And then to finish off my no makeup day, I like lip gloss. Because as an older woman, it always makes you look better. And there we are. 5 minutes. All we used was Total Radiance, the brow, Fibre Brow, the Young Minerals, lashes, and Silk's Glow. And look, I'm ready for the day, and I don't even look like I've really got that much makeup on because I haven't. Because like today, I'm lazy. Happy Monday, everybody, and I hope you have a good day. Bye bye. I did forget to tell you that this is our product of the month this month. So this is on special in my YesUCan Silk store, And if you would like more dollars off it, and you're my first time customer, you'll get 15% by just going to my website. You can get 15% off. If you're one of my regulars, which I love you and thank you for being a regular, you can still get 10% off by using YesUCan 10 at the checkout, and you'll get 10% off. So that goes for that, the brow kit, and anything that you want to buy in my store. That's and free postage until the 24th. Happy Christmas, everybody, and have a really great day.